Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the URL expired problem in Messenger. Let's open the Messenger app. Now, open the chat that has the link you are trying to open. If I try to open this link, you can see that it says the link is expired. The URL expires in Messenger because Meta uses time-limited, secure links to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. Some of these links are designed to work only for a short period, so if Messenger tries to open an old or cached link, it may show a URL signature expired error. This can also happen if the owner of the post you shared has removed the post. First, long press on the Messenger app icon. In the pop-up, tap on the I button. Once you're inside Messenger settings, tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Data. In the pop-up, you can clear cache data or clear all app data. I recommend clearing both, but remember that if you clear all app data, you will need to log in again to your account. Don't worry, this won't delete your account, it will just reset the app, and you can log in later. After clearing the cache and data, go back to the previous screen and tap on Force Stop to completely stop the Messenger app. Next, tap on App Permissions and check if the necessary permissions are given. Now, scroll down and tap on Clear Defaults. After you are done, you should reboot your device. In most cases, this will fix the URL signature expired problem right away. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.